Welcome to another video. In this video, we will study about glycolysis. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis is a process of conversion of six-membered compound glucose into two molecules of pyruvate. Glycolysis is basically converted into two phases, energy investment phase and the other is energy payoff phase or energy utilization phase. At the end of this lecture, you will able to learn all the constituents which are formed in the process of glycolysis with mnemonics and all the enzymes which are involved and also the energy calculation in the whole process of glycolysis. So next, let's move toward our first step. In our first step, the glucose 6-membered compound is converted into glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme involved is hexokinase or glucokinase followed by the conversion of ATP into ADP. Now, in the next step, glucose 6-phosphate is further converted into fructose 6-phosphate by the enzyme isomerase. What are isomerase? Isomers. Isomers are the compound which have same molecular formula but different structure formula, as the glucose and fructose are isomers of each other which have same molecular formula. Now, in the next step, the fructose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6 biphosphate and the enzyme involved is phosphofructokinase. Okay, the fructose 1,6 biphosphate is very unstable compound, so it convert into either into dihydroacetone phosphate or glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and these two compounds are often interconvertible into each other by the enzyme isomerase. Now, this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, this is the completion of energy investment phase of glycolysis. In the next step, the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into 1,3-biphosphoglycerate by the enzyme triose phosphate dehydrogenase, and in the oxidation 2-NAD is converted into 2-NADH plus H2 in mitochondria. Okay, the 1,3-biphosphoglycerate is further converted into 3-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerokinase and by the conversion of 2-ADP into 2-ATP. Okay, and the 3-phosphoglycerate is further converted into 2-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglyceromutase, and 2-phosphoglycerate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate by the enzyme enolase, and enolase and phosphoenol pyruvate is further converted into our last compound which is pyruvate, and it contains 2-NADP followed by conversion into 2-ATP. This is the energy payoff phase of the process of glycolysis. Now the next is the mnemonic. Mnemonic is good girlfriend fill glass daily by 3 pg and 2 pg and play ping pong and ludo. This is the all the compounds which are formed in the process of glycolysis by, you can remember easily by this mnemonic. Okay, this will be really helpful for you. Okay, and the next is the mnemonic for our enzymes which all are involved in the process of glycolysis. All these enzymes are, the mnemonic is Helen. Helen is a little girl which paint beautiful pictures, and in the front of her house there is a training ground and the people are playing there and enjoy the Helen's painting. Okay, this is the little story that Helen is a girl, she paint pictures and beside the training ground, and people see her pictures and enjoy the painting. So H for hexokinase, phosphoglucoisomerase, and followed by all the enzymes which are involved in this glycolysis. Okay, this will be also really very helpful for all of you. Okay, and the last is the energy production. The energy produced in the two phases, there is anaerobic glycolysis and aerobic glycolysis. Okay, and this is the energy calculation of all the glycolysis. If you want me to make another video about any of the topic of all the 5-year syllabus of Form D or any medical topic, you can easily tell me in the comment section. I will made video for you. Okay, thank you so much.